Venturing into the world of foreclosed properties can be a lucrative and exciting opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, buying and selling foreclosures can offer substantial profits with the right approach. This guide will walk you through the process in a fun and easy-to-understand way. Let's get started. Understanding foreclosed properties. Foreclosed properties are homes seized by lenders when the previous owners fail to keep up with mortgage payments. These properties are often sold at a discount, creating great opportunities for savvy investors. Steps to making money with foreclosures. 1. Research the market. Start by understanding the foreclosure market in your area. Websites like Zillow, RealtyTrack, and local county records can provide valuable insights into available properties. 2. Secure financing. Before jumping in, ensure you have your finances in order. Options include 1. Cash, best for quick purchases and negotiating lower prices. 2. Mortgage. Traditional home loans can be used, but ensure pre-approval. 3. Hard money loans. Short-term high-interest loans perfect for quick flips. 3. Find foreclosed properties. There are several ways to find foreclosures. 1. Online listings, websites dedicated to foreclosures. 2. Public auctions, properties sold to the highest bidder. 3. Bank-owned properties, REOs, foreclosures that didn't sell at auction and are now owned by the bank. 4. Evaluate the property. 1. Condition. Inspect thoroughly to understand repair costs. 2. Neighborhood. Consider the area's market trends and future potential. 3. Title search. Ensure there are no other claims or liens on the property. 5. Make an offer. When you've found the right property, submit a competitive offer. Banks are often motivated to sell quickly, but do your due diligence to avoid overbidding. Making money. The strategies. 1. Fix and flip. Buy a property, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. This strategy works well if you're handy or have a good network of contractors. 2. Buy and hold. Purchase the property and rent it out. This provides steady income and potential property appreciation over time. 3. Wholesaling. Find great deals on foreclosures and sell the contracts to other investors. This requires less capital upfront and can be a quick way to earn money. Tips for success. 1. Budget for repairs. Always factor in renovation costs and unexpected expenses. 2. Be patient. Finding the right deal can take time, but persistence pays off. 3. Network. Connect with real estate agents, contractors, and other investors for advice and opportunities. 4. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and laws related to foreclosures. Conclusion. Investing in foreclosed properties can be a rewarding venture with the potential for significant returns. By researching the market, securing financing, and choosing the right strategy, anyone can succeed in this field. Happy investing. Please see the link in the description.